video is going to explain Centricity's ICD-10 configuration dates and their significance. The first date we are going to talk about is the Enterprise ICD-10 implementation date, otherwise known as the Enterprise date, located under Centricity's ICD-10 settings. Centricity requires an Enterprise date in order for the software to start implementing the change to ICD-10. Your Centricity system's Enterprise date is currently set to 10/1/2015, CMS's ICD-10 compliance date. This date was populated during your Centricity 11 upgrade. This date is important for a few reasons. First, it will not allow users to manually add ICD-9 diagnosis codes to claims with a data service on or after 10/1/2015. Second, it will prevent users from adding ICD-10 diagnosis codes to claims with a data service prior to 10/1/2015. In order to access the Enterprise date from Centricity's home screen, click on the Administration component. Then navigate over to the folder set on the left-hand side of the screen, also known as Little Edit. Expand the Codes folder, followed by the Settings folder, by clicking on the plus sign to the left of the folder icons. Next, click on the ICD-10 settings icon, where the date is available. Please note, the Enterprise ICD-10 implementation date should only be changed for ICD-10 claim testing purposes. Please open a case with the Unlimited Systems Consulting Desk if you are interested in ICD-10 testing. The second date we are going to talk about is the Carrier ICD-10 implementation date, otherwise known as the Carrier date, located under Centricity's insurance carrier information. Centricity requires carrier dates in order for the software to determine if ICD-10 or ICD-9 diagnosis codes should be generated for either the electronic file or paper claims. Your Centricity system's carrier dates are currently set to 10/1/2015, CMS's ICD-10 compliance date. This date was also populated during your Centricity 11 upgrade. If an insurance carrier has informed you of an alternate date in which they will be accepting ICD-10 diagnosis codes, then a user will need to manually update the carrier date. The accuracy of this date is important as the system checks against the date during the batching process to ensure you have the correct diagnosis type required for the current carrier on the visit. In order to access the carrier date from Centricity's home screen, click on the Administration component. Then click Edit at the top of the screen, also known as Big Edit. Select insurance carriers from the list. This will open up the Find Insurance Carrier window. To search for the appropriate insurance carrier, you can either click on the alphabet buttons across the top or enter the insurance carrier name in the list name field and click the search button. For our purposes, I will search for Aetna. Select the insurance carrier, highlighting it, and then click the Edit button. This will open up the Edit Insurance Carrier window, which defaults to the Information tab where the date is available. Please note, this date cannot predate the Enterprise date. Also, when creating a new insurance carrier, the carrier date defaults to the original ICD-10 compliance date of 10/1/2014. Be sure to update this date to 10/1/2015 or an alternate date based on the individual carrier requirements. This concludes our Elevate video on understanding Centricity's ICD-10 configuration dates. If you have any questions or need further assistance regarding these dates in Centricity, please open a case with our Unlimited Systems Consulting Desk.